Hi, I'm Alicia from Air Compressor Services in Greenville, South Carolina. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a muffler attached to a blowdown valve on a rotary screw compressor. The purpose of a muffler is to reduce the volume of noise that occurs when a blowdown valve releases pressure. Please note, before beginning any air compressor maintenance, always make sure you have your personal protective equipment. Let's get started.
Materials needed are an adjustable wrench, thread tape, muffler, and lockout-tagout mechanism. Make sure your area is clear and free from hazards. Lockout-tagout is the first and most important part of safety protocol. Notice our technician during the process. As he locks out the handle, he uses his right hand and turns away to the left. This is to avoid a possible arc flash. He then checks to make sure the panel is locked securely. Check the control panel to verify the power is disconnected. The next safety step is to isolate the air system by turning the handle to the off position. Remove the muffler with adjustable wrench to start. Then hand loosen the muffler until it detaches. Now apply thread tape to the muffler. Always make sure to apply thread tape by pointing in the direction of the thread. Make sure the thread is completely covered. Now hand tighten the new muffler and finish by installing with an adjustable wrench until snug. We need to safely power the unit back up. Slowly turn the air supply valve to the on position. Remove the lockout-tagout mechanism and just like before, turn away as you power on the panel. Thank you for watching our muffler installation video.